the live programming discussion. So you can ask any sort of question that you have related to programming, web development, and JavaScript. So basically, I will be answering all your doubts here inside this live programming session. So if you have any sort of question, you can ask in the programming session. कोई भी आपके क्वेश्चंस हैं तो आप उसको आस्क करिए इन द लाइव चैट के अंदर गए. सो लाइव चैट कर रहे हैं हम, तो कोई भी आपके क्वेश्चंस हैं आप उसको पूछ सकते हैं. उन क्वेश्चनों को मैं ट्राइंग करूँगा कि इसको आंसर करूँ. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, then please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well. So I'm doing this live stream from my mobile phone. So basically, if you have any sort of questions, you can ask in the live stream. So one people is watching the stream, guys, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well. Two people are watching the stream. So this is a JavaScript programming discussion. So if you want to ask JavaScript related issues or any web development or programming issues, you can ask in the comment section. So basically, I will try to answer all your questions in this live stream. 5 people are watching the stream. Please hit that like button. लाइक के बटन को दबाइएगा, सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए चैनल को. और जो कोई भी क्वेश्चन है आप हिंदी में पूछिए, इंग्लिश में पूछिए, किसी भी लैंग्वेज में पूछिए. आई विल आंसर यू ऑल योर क्वेश्चंस. एलेक्स गेमिंग इज सेइंग दैट जावास्क्रिप्ट इज लव. Yeah, definitely JavaScript is a top programming language and everyone is loving JavaScript. And if you have any odd question, guys, ask it in the comment section. Also hit that like button. I am seeing that people are not liking the content, guys. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well. Already subscribed to your channel. Amazing Tech is saying already subscribed. So thank you very much, Amazing Tech, for subscribing to this channel. And keep hitting that like button, share this live stream with your friends, and ask any sort of questions that you want to ask inside this live stream. I will definitely answer your questions. Shrimoy Ranjan Das is saying that how much time it will take to find a front-end developer job as a fresher. Basically, Shri Manas, I will definitely say that if you are looking forward for a front-end job, basically I will definitely say that you need to be, first of all, concentrate on the interview. You need to focus on the interview questions, and I think you should give at least 6 month time before you do any sort of interview. You can watch YouTube related videos, you can even read blogs as well, and after that go to an interview. Definitely you will be having some jobs. I am learning Angular, please tell me the correct path. Angular is a very hard framework and it's a very long framework. And if you want to learn Angular and build out applications, I will definitely recommend that you first of all start with normal applications such as To-Do, CRUD app. You can build out, let's suppose, with a database. You can use MySQL, MongoDB, SQLite, any sort of database. Try to build a to-do list kind of an application, CRUD application, create, read, update, delete. So try to build that. What about demo? Dino or new update regarding npm support. I haven't read about Dino new update. I will Alex Gaming, so I will read about that update. And definitely Dino is a very growing language and it will give a tough competition to Node.js as it is growing popularity, and I will definitely recommend that Dino is a programming language to learn. It's a very good programming language as compared to Node.js, so definitely. Mohammad Mushir is saying already subscribed. Thank you very much, Mohammad Mukisir. Shushmita Tripathi is asking, भैया कैसे मैं लॉजिक स्ट्रॉन्ग करूँ. लॉजिक को आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है ना, तो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस के अंदर जो भी डाउट्स होते हैं उसको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. कीप वॉचिंग हैकर रैंक जैसे वेबसाइट होती है ना, जैसे कंपटीशन रिलेटेड वेबसाइट्स होती है, you must visit those websites, try to solve doubts related to programming, and you will be able to increase your logic. Can I do data structures with JavaScript? I don't think so. The data structure algorithms have much scope in JavaScript. JavaScript is basically a language, and all the things, a lot of libraries are available. So I don't think so data structures is that much popular with JavaScript. You can definitely try with C, C++, Java. These are the languages which basically interview related questions are asked. So please hit that like button, guys. Already 4 likes are there. Just increase this number to 10 likes. I am seeing that people are not liking the content. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well. I am requesting you guys, because if you like this video more, thumbs up button. Basically this YouTube will promote this live stream with more and more people, and definitely more and more suggestions will come, more and more people will join. So that's why I am just pleading you that you subscribe to this channel. So hit the like button as well. I am doing this from my mobile phone. This is a vertical live session going on here. You can now see this is vertical live stream, so that's why. So just ask your questions, guys. I will definitely answer all your questions. Amazing Tech is saying, भैया मैं front end developer हूँ and looking for job change from service based product based, but I'm not good at data structures. I don't think so. You need to be good at data structures for job change from service based to product based. You can definitely do it without data structures. It's not mandatory that you should learn data structures before you move to a product to service based company. So I don't think so. You need the data structures no language at all. But I personally don't know much about data structures, guys. I personally hate that. I am not good at math, so I can't build out algorithms. So that's why I'm very weak in data structures. So that's why I'm just telling you that don't concentrate on it, because if you're looking for web development, basically all the libraries, third party libraries are available, and algorithms are just a waste of time. You don't need to concentrate on algorithms, and I don't think so you need to concentrate. If you're watching it for the very first time, guys, no, web development is not containing data structures. It is not that important. So that's the point. Chinku Singh is saying, Chinku Minku, this is not sorry. Do they don't they ask trees linked list in product based companies? Yeah, linked list. All these concepts are related in Java companies. If you want to put if you are putting here C++, linked list is a very important concept. Linked list, stack, queues, all these data structures you need to master before you are applying for a C++ job. But in JavaScript related jobs, guys, these structures, which is object oriented programming, is not popular in JavaScript. So that's why I'm telling you that these concepts such as stacks, queues are not very important in JavaScript. रिएक्ट में टेस्टिंग लाइक जस्ट इंजाइमी लाइब्रेरी करना ज़रूरी है क्या? मुजम्मिल, मुबशिर, आई एम नॉट इनटू टेस्टिंग, बट आई विल just is a very popular library when it comes to testing, so I will definitely recommend try learning this library if you want to become a software tester. So yeah, it is very much important that you master these two libraries. भैया रेफरल कैसे मिलेगा? What is the referral you're talking about? Amazing Tech, can you clarify? Hitesh Gurmani is saying that where are you working? Basically, I'm a full-time blogger and YouTuber. I work from home, so I don't go to any company and work. So basically work from home, write blog post, and basically make videos. Sumit Kumar is saying, by next time Google Doc clone bana do please. Google Doc, you're saying me to build out Google Doc. Okay, definitely I will put this topic in my list, and in the upcoming streams I will definitely try to build this Google Doc clone as well. So thanks for the suggestion, Sumit. I will definitely do that. Job referral for product based company as a front end developer. Yeah, if you want to be a front end developer, definitely master HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also some frameworks such as React is the most trending framework. You should definitely master React.js, and Vue.js is also very trending. Svelte, if you know the framework, Svelte, Svelte. This is a very trending framework, Svelte. Try learning these frameworks, guys. So this will, please discuss interview questions near in future. I don't know much about interview, guys. I haven't gone to interview much. I just gone to 1-2 interviews for web development, and they ask stupid questions which are not related to practical programming. They just ask math related question, aptitude questions such as try to solve math related. So I'm bored of the interviews, and 1 or 2 times I gone to interviews and I'm very disappointed with interviews. So that's why I don't know much about interview. Can you clarify, guys? मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है आपको? Quality कैसी है live stream की? How is the quality of the live stream, guys? Can you clarify the voice quality and the video quality of the live stream? Can you tell me how is the quality in the live chat? Is it okay or is it bad? Because I'm really looking forward for the quality of the live stream. RMNC hire fresher for front end developers role. Definitely they will hire you if you have the capability, if you do the hard work. They are looking forward for young people, young minds. Definitely they will hire. Multinational companies, if they are new in the market, definitely they will pay you high package. But if the interview if the company has a reputed company and a lot of clients are available to serve the company, then you will get a less package. But try to go for the interview, that interview in which the competition is less. That's it. Quality is awesome. Can you make React advanced concept playlist? Definitely, a lot of tutorials related to React is available on my channel, so definitely I will make those videos. Don't worry about it. And I make daily React.js projects, so definitely watch those tutorials as well on my channel. Amazing Tech is saying quality theek hai bhaiya. So thank you very much guys for responding it, because sometimes I feel that quality is not looking good. I need to buy a separate camera for my face doesn't look good in the live stream, so that's why I was asking here. So you can see that this is basically my laptop here, where I am just putting all the coding here. You can see this is a laptop that I use here. It's a Asus laptop. Basically the keyboard, as you can see here, this is a keyboard, nice little keyboard here, colorful keyboard I see here. You can see here, हाँ face matter नहीं करता है भैया. Yeah, okay, thank you. You can see this is the mouse here I use here, very colorful mouse here. It's a gaming mouse basically. If you see, it's a gaming mouse. Basically it's a gaming mouse, and it's very good. You will see this is a code that I'm writing here. If you see function show error index.html, so I think it's a very good laptop. So please hit the like button guys, subscribe the channel as well. I think it's a Zebratronic mouse. If you see the company, no, Xmate is the company name. Xmate, this is a company name. Bhaiya, try making an advanced chatting app like Discord. In the stream guys, the stream is reconnected, so it was just a matter of internet connection. It's gone for some time, so if you're connecting here, just connect again guys. You work in a company? No, I don't work in a company. I just work from home. This is basically I work from a home. This is full-time programmer, full-time blogger. I don't work for a company, so I hate putting working under someone. So also tell us what brand of headphone you are using. Okay, let me tell you. Let me show you the headphones. This is a headphones. Cosmic Byte. See? Cosmic Byte is the company name. If you see, Cosmic Byte is the headphones that I use guys. So basically this is the headphones that you are seeing right here. This is a microphone. It's a very good headphones guys. I really enjoy making videos from this. The microphone is also very good, and it's a very good headphone. Basically 18 people are watching the stream guys. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well, because you're not liking the stream. Only 12 likes are there. भैया like भी कर दो यार, 12 like हैं, बस थोड़े से like तो करिए, इसको 20 like तक पहुँचाइए. I am stuck with a problem in my project. Shall I check for a solution online or spend all my time on finding the solution myself when I'm learning JavaScript? You can ask the question, Yash. You can mail me on geekygautam1987@gmail.com. This is my mail address. Lol, same laptop. Specs please. Specs is 8 GB RAM. 8 GB RAM I have inside this laptop, and it's a Asus TUF Gaming. It's a gaming laptop, Asus TUF Gaming. भैया आप रिप्लाई में कि ये ऊपर क्वेश्चन पूछा था मैंने, क्या रिप्लाई करियो भाई? अमेजिंग टेक, प्लीज़ आस्क द क्वेश्चन. Just one suggestion भैया, can you please consider explaining your concept through a pen tablet or so, as in theoretical stuff? Your practical explanation is awesome, much needed. What pen tablet can you suggest me, Hitesh? Can you suggest me any pen tablet? I am also looking forward for any sort of pen tablet where I can write and explain to you guys. Can you suggest me any sort of automatic tablet where I can write electronically without having to write physically? Can you suggest Java data structure course? Basically I don't know much about Java Iron Man, so I can't suggest you, but still you can watch Durga Software Solutions. It's a YouTube channel which teaches Java at a very practical level, and they have a whole company, Durga Software Solutions. This is a company name, and a lot of good knowledge is there. So I have also personally studied from them. You can see how long you have been working from home. It's almost 5 years. When I was in second year in college, I started YouTubing. I started doing uploading videos on YouTube, and in 2019 I started blogging. So it's almost a 5 year journey. 5 साल मुझे हो चुके हैं. XP pen. It's a tablet. Chinku Minku. It's a tablet XP pen. कुछ टिप्स. क्या टिप्स भैया? ट्विकिंटर पाइथन में ऑटो जूम विंडो. Twikinter is a very good framework. Definitely, you should definitely use in Python, because Twikinter, I have personally used it, and definitely it's a very good framework. And I really enjoy making applications in Twikinter. Graphical user interface, it's a very awesome library. You should definitely do it. If you get a chance to take an interview for front end role, what kind of question would you ask? Basically, I don't want to do any job related stuff, guys. I'm not that good that I will ask question from another one. So if I get a chance here, I will definitely ask them to make any sort of project, practical project, such as just make a CRUD application, to do application related to that programming framework. Let's suppose I'm taking interview for React or Angular or Vue.js. I will definitely ask the interview to just make it to do or CRUD kind of an application. Okay, pen tablet, 1Y Wacom. Okay, I will definitely try to purchase that and make videos. भैया कुछ न्यू थिंग्स सिखाइए जावास्क्रिप्ट का. आई एम ऑल्सो कंफ्यूज गाइस. आई एम डेफिनेटली trying to build JavaScript related issues, because the problem is live watching is not coming on videos basically, other than JavaScript. If I try to make, let's suppose, PHP videos, React videos, the live watching is not there. So I am really confused out there how I make videos. Please start a advanced JavaScript series with interview questions. Okay, definitely, if I get the chance, if I get to the questions, I will definitely start it. How to crack Laravel front-end questions? What sort of questions? Laravel? I don't know. Laravel is a language or framework? I don't know about Laravel. Is it a front-end framework, or what is it? It's a company or not? Please make video on Angular. Okay, I will definitely make video. Amazing Tech, please watch the video also, because when I make the video, live watching is 0. So please come there to watch the video as well. Amazing Tech, try recorded videos of JavaScript. I am sick of recording videos. I am not doing any recording stuff. I enjoy live streaming, and basically I hate recording videos, because I think that with live stream I get a live feedback of yours. How is the video? Please hit that like button, guys. You are not hitting the like button. Only 17 likes. What is this? What is this? What is this? Please try increasing the like number to about 30 likes. What keeps you motivated? This keeps you motivated. Your audience, you're watching me daily. This keeps me motivated, and this is all about you guys. When I started the channel, it's all about the audience who are watching me. You are giving me confidence to make daily live streams and videos. You are the confidence of my. I always watch after live. Okay, amazing Doug. Definitely watch it whenever I am live. Try watching it live. भाई कुछ न्यू थिंग्स सिखाइए जावास्क्रिप्ट. ओके ओके सर, इट्स 11:38 PM. लॉल. नींद? नो I don't sleep. I sleep very late, so that's why I am doing. Bro, try to make proper course playlist. Apurv is saying. ओके अपूर्व, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल. डेफिनेटली गाइस, जो भी नया देख रहा है चैनल के ऊपर, तो डेफिनेटली सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करिए, क्योंकि ये एक प्रोग्रामिंग चैनल है, वेब डेवलपमेंट चैनल है. इसके ऊपर मैं रोज़ एक वीडियोस बनाता हूँ, तो आप उसको सब्सक्राइब करिए. प्लीज़ हिट दैट लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. Also try making a Django Python video. Okay guys, I will definitely make a Python video as well inside Django. Nice. I have liked the video, sir. Ninand is saying 2-minute coding. Okay. Apurv is saying please make a proper playlist. Subscribed. Please tell me कितना hours sleep लेते हो sir. Iron Man is saying about 3 to 4 hours. Frankly speaking, I only sleep for 4 hours, because after this I also want to make my blogging as well, because a lot of pressure is there, because the traffic is decreased after that SEO helpful update. So it's very frustrated for me, because the traffic is suddenly gone down in the downward direction. So it's so much desperation also, because at the same time I want to make more money, but the website has gone really down. So I want to make hard work in YouTube also, try to make a new website also. So that's why. Please tell me about the pointers in JavaScript. Pointers is nothing but basically it's a concept in C++, Java, and the pointers are not used in JavaScript that much. So basically, if you're going for a JavaScript interview, definitely pointers will not be asked from you. So definitely ask if you want to master pointers. Try uh, watching C++ videos and Java videos. Subscribed. Aside from coding, what else you like to do? Basically, I like to watch cricket. I also like playing cricket also. Whenever I was in 12th standard, I played a lot of cricket. Still, I want to play a lot of cricket. Sometimes I go to a cricket uh, academy as well while playing cricket. I practice a lot of shots. I practice bowling. I practice playing shots inside parks as well. So when I go to park, I really practice. So definitely, the love for cricket is there. And I also try watching debates on internet related to politics, sports, anything. I hate watching TV. I don't watch TV, guys. I'm frankly speaking, I don't watch TV. You have seen one reporter saying that try switching off your TV. Ravish Kumar, you have of NDTV. He once said that don't watch TV anymore because TV doesn't contain anything. So from that day, I left the TV. I switched to the internet fully. So that's why. भाई मोर प्रोजेक्ट बनाइए जावास्क्रिप्ट का हम लोग भी सीख सकते हैं ओके डेफिनेटली आई विल मेक मोर प्रोजेक्ट्स सुस्मिता इज सेइंग आयरन मैन इज सेइंग वाओ यू आर माय आइडियल 2 minutes कोडिंग वाओ भैया मेक good design projects okay clever here I will definitely make good design projects rejoin the stream guys so some questions let me ask here basically guys can a fresher choose JavaScript as its first language? Definitely, JavaScript is a very good language. It can be chosen as their first language. Opinion on Surya Kumar Yadav performance recently. Surya Kumar Yadav is a very good batsman, bro. Basically, Surya Kumar Yadav. If you know, it's you didn't see my email address. Definitely, I saw your email address, bro. It was just a problem. So please hit that like button guys, subscribe the channel. You can how often do you hang out with friends? Not really, very less. I don't have really much friends, so definitely I stay a lot of home. I don't hang out with friends. I don't go very frequently. I just work. That's ultimate scenario. So I don't really go outwards very frequently. So that's why. So please ask any sort of questions guys. If you want to ask any sort of questions, you can ask here in the comment section. 3 people watching the stream, so it was just an internet connection guys. It was just lost the internet connection and there was an internet problem going on. The sim was, this is my laptop here, the internet connection was the problem. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well. 22 likes वीडियो को लाइक करिए गाइस, सब्सक्राइब करिए चैनल को. जो भी नया जुड़ रहा है चैनल के साथ, हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ, उसको लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए. हिट द रेड सब्सक्राइब बटन, हिट द like button also. So basically if anyone is watching it for the very first time, 26 minutes gone in the live stream and still 22 likes are there. Please hit that like button, subscribe channel, and if you have any sort of doubts you can ask in the live chat. Basically some of the questions are not there, so just ask your questions. Jacob Timms is saying, should you use TypeScript? Yeah, definitely. In the near future, I will definitely use TypeScript. It's a super language of JavaScript. It contains additional features about JavaScript. So definitely, it's a very good language, and it's strongly typed, as very less few errors occur in JavaScript TypeScript, because it's a very secure language as compared to JavaScript. So you need to specify which data type you are declaring the variable whenever at the time of declaration. In TypeScript it is mandatory, but it is not mandatory in JavaScript. So it's a very secure language as compared to JavaScript. So I should definitely use TypeScript in my upcoming projects. Opinion on Surya Kumar Yadav performance recently? Yeah, definitely Surya Kumar Yadav is the future of India in T20 cricket and also in all formats player. But its downside is this, because he was found it very late, because he can be a future star, he can be a real batter for India, because now he is 31, but only 2 years he is playing for India, and he has been showing how beautiful he is playing the innings. So I think India has missed the opportunity of discovering him late. He was playing fantastically well in first class cricket, but still nobody paid attention to him. And then he played in the IPL, and everyone was watching his performances. So I really think so. He performed well for India in the upcoming T20 World Cup, and definitely India's chances is good. And next JS or Express JS? Definitely, I will pick Express JS at all counts, because Express JS is the framework for JavaScript. It contains all the features, and definitely Express JS is the way to go, and it definitely boosts up the performance as well. So Mohsin Raza, Nest JS. Yeah. Mohsin Raza asked a question. React, Angular or Vue? I will definitely pick React, then the Vue.js, and then lastly the third is the Angular. React is the most popular library, front-end library. It's very easy to master. Then we have the Vue.js. It's a future of JavaScript. It's very good framework also. And thirdly, we have the framework called as Angular. Angular is a framework. It's not a library. It contains a lot of things inside. You need to master. It contains routes. It contains all those things you need to master before you become an Angular developer. So definitely a long way to go. But still, I will say full roadmap for full stack, please. Mohit Kumar is saying full stack basically you need to master both the front end and back end. And for the back end, I will definitely prefer Node.js, and then the second number will be Python. The frameworks, if you see in the back end, guys, Express.js is the first one if you build any sort of web application or API. And for Python, I will prefer Django. Django is the most popular backend framework for developing full stack application or any sort of API applications. Then I come to the front end. Front end, guys, React.js, it's a very popular library. Vue.js, these are some of the front end frameworks you should definitely master. And these are the one. Flask is also good, guys, in Python. Flask is also good. So Ruby on Rails is also good if you want to completely choose a different stack. You can also choose Ruby on Rails. It's a very tremendous framework to develop web applications, Ruby on Rails. So it totally depends upon an individual which path she wants to take while developing the applications. So please hit that like button, guys. Subscribe the channel. Is there demand for Flask development? Yeah, definitely. Python is the future, guys, and definitely all the frameworks of Python such as Flask, Django. Django is more popular than Flask, but still Flask developers are very good. If you see YouTube videos related to Flask, it get a lot of views, and also companies working with Flask is also very high. What about Laravel? Laravel, guys, I am saying Laravel is the most popular framework for PHP. CodeNighter is very dying framework, but Laravel is the framework to go if you want to work with PHP. But still, PHP is not my favorite language to work with. While when it comes to backend, still 70% of websites use PHP. I know that many people will say that you are speaking rubbish. PHP is the language to go for backend, but still I will maintain that PHP syntax is very hard, and Laravel makes it easy. Laravel makes it interesting, but still core PHP is very hard to master, and I found it very difficult, but it can differ from individual to individual. But I still feel that PHP is very hard when it comes to programming. For a beginner, the roadmap will be very similar. You need to first of all master HTML, CSS, JavaScript, build out some front-end layouts such as Facebook, Google. Try to build out some unique layout. And then comes to backend, you can build out a API, let's suppose CRUD API, perform all the 4 operations, create, read, update, delete. Try to build out to-do list kind of application. Try to build out some unique API, and this will be your roadmap, guys. Very good roadmap it will be for you. So definitely try out some combinations with different languages, different frameworks, and you will be able to go. You can ask some more questions, guys, if you are watching it for the very first time. Please hit that like button, guys. Subscribe the channel as well. I'm seeing that people are not liking the content. Only 25 likes are there. Why people you are not subscribing to the channel? I am definitely very sad, very frustrated why you are not subscribing to the channel. Please hit that like button also. Hit the notification bell icon also. This is a thumbs up button. Simply click it. So if you have any sort of questions, guys, just ask it in the comment section. I will definitely reply to all your questions. Yeah, I know that Bumrah is out of World Cup. It's very unfortunate for India, but still it's a player fault. Why play IPL? You need to pick your international cricket, guys. Basically, you don't need to sacrifice the. It's all about IPL. The players just want to play league cricket. They don't want to play for India or any sort of their national side. So it totally depends upon an individual. They don't miss any sort of IPL matches, but when it comes to their national side, they become injured after playing one match. So it's totally player fault, guys, and it's all about money now. Cricket is all about money. It's not no longer about playing for the country. Bro, you are really doing hard work, and it will pay you off one day. Love you, bro. Can you tell me, guys, from which country you are watching, from which state in India, from which state you are watching? Can you tell me in the comment section? I am from Delhi. Why don't you try in some MNC? I am not able to do job, guys. I don't want to work under someone. I enjoy being alone, working from home, from the comfort of my home. I do like blogging, making videos for you, doing live stream. So I don't like to do jobs, so that's why I decided to this path. Mohit Kumar is saying Haryana, Rohtak, Haryana. Okay. Rohtak is a place in Haryana. I know that. Yash is saying that do you have no, I don't have girlfriend. So there is no time for making those things while you are doing the hard work. So Sanchit is saying Delhi. So thank you for watching it from Delhi. I am also from Delhi. So I'm not saying yes that these are wrong things. I'm saying that people do make girlfriends. It's very much necessary for life also. You need to also enjoy life also. But I'm not saying it is incorrect, but I just look at not doing that at this moment of time. But yeah, instead in future I need to marry at some date. So yeah. Man, there is a huge project I'm working on. Did you look into Insta Story Builder? Yeah, definitely. It's a very big project. I will definitely, if I have the time, I will definitely do it. Lucifer, I've definitely made you promise, so definitely I will tell you later on. In Delhi, where are you from? I don't want to share my location because yeah, I am from Delhi, so I don't want to share the location. Would love to discuss some features of it with you personally if possible. You can mail me. Email address is geekygautam1997@gmail.com. So I will definitely look at your question. Jitendra Kumar is saying, can you make a video using Sweet Alert 2 in Node.js CRUD operation? Okay, definitely. Sweet Alert is a very good alert sort of library where a beautiful alert messages is there. So that's why. Are you working or freelancing? Yeah, I am not doing freelancing. I don't want to do it. So I'm just working as a blogger and YouTuber. I'm not asking your proper address, man. No, I'm just comfortable just putting this. I am from Delhi, but still. Man, you are the best. Best of luck for everything. Okay, definitely, Lucifer. Thank you very much for doing this for me. So it's means a lot to me that people are appreciating the hard work that I put in daily. So thank you very much for appreciating the hard work. So it means a lot to me because you guys are also supporting me at different locations. What's your future plan? Nothing, just continuing this hard work. Try to make my blog as viral as possible. Try to make my YouTube channel as viral as possible. Try to gain new subscribers. Try to gain new views every day. Try to connect with each and every people. Try to answer the questions of my subscribers. This is the future goal. I don't have much longer future plans. It is in the present moment what I do. It's really important rather than thinking about the future. So I think it's the present that you are doing right here. Nobody has seen the future. So try to live your life with full intensity, full gratitude and full happiness. It's all about present, not about the future. So don't know about the future. So which degree do you do have done and when? I have completed BTech in computer science. I started college in 2014 and I completed in 2018. So it's a 4 year BTech course, Bachelor in Technology in Computer Science. I did it from a private college in Greater Noida. So it's not a very good degree. It's no use. It's just a degree, piece of paper. So it's not a big use of it. If you want to do a degree, just do it from a IIT or triple IT or some reputed institution. Don't try to go for a private college. It's just a waste of time. I am realized that. I am a .NET developer and Nest.js is too much similar to .NET. So now suggest me Express or Nest.js. So in that case, if these two frameworks are similar, then definitely try Nest.js is also very good framework, and definitely in the near future you will be able to build out projects. If it is totally different. भैया आप इन्हीं किस कंपनी में हो? No, I am not from any company. I just do work from home, which is YouTube and blogging. What's your views about open source contributions? I love open source software. I don't want people to pay the software. It's also good. It's a way to earn money from the softwares that you make. But open source, I like it because you totally see the source code of the project, how the process is made step by step. So I definitely like the open source, and definitely at the same time I also like premium software as well. Uh, Also at the same time, if you have done the hard work trying developing the software, you must also be paid for this. So definitely it's a very good practice. 12th and 10th percentage, it was very low. Yes, in 12th I got 74% and in 10th I got 7.8 CGPA. In that time the percentage was not on, it was in grade system. CGPA at 7.8. So I was not a very bright student, I was just an average student, definitely good in computer science but weak in mathematics, science as well, in physics also. I don't get any sort of physics. I really struggled in physics, understanding what is velocity, what is momentum, all these things. I very algebra also very tired of. I didn't get a clue of it, what was that. So but in programming I get all the concept. I was the number one coder in my class in college and school, so that was my unique functionality. Opinion on Rust programming language? Personally I haven't tried out Rust. I didn't try out Rust. I have seen Rust but personally I haven't coded with it. You are from India? Yeah, definitely I am from Delhi, the capital of India. After BTech you join any company or? No, I haven't worked for a company after the college. It's all about YouTube and blogging. I haven't did any sort of job in the programming or haven't done any sort of internship also. I still just do this thing. Bhaiya, can you teach competitive programming? Apna Adda is asking. Definitely, if I have the time, definitely I will teach you competitive programming as well. These competitive questions related to interview or any sort of competitive programming that you need to do, IIT, all that stuff, triple IT, all that stuff. What is your opinion on DevOps engineering career? DevOps, I don't know much about DevOps, bro, so I can't tell you much about it. I have seen DevOps, but it's a very good bright career if you know these technologies, DevOps, Kubernetes. If you know these, then definitely this is a unique field related to data science, and I think it's a very good technology. You should definitely invest some time in it. Your opinion on DevOps? Yeah, definitely I've answered this. How can we scale a startup that is getting millions of requests? Try try to upgrade the hosting first of all, and the perfect solution I will give you, use Firebase. Firebase is a tremendous solution. Many people say that Firebase is costly, but they didn't use Firebase effectively. If you make a lot of read requests and write requests, definitely Firebase will be giving you a huge bill. You need to effectively implement Firebase so that you get a very low bill. So definitely in scenarios such as applications such as chatting or any sort of unique application you have developed, you will bound to get millions of views every day. For that, you need to strong backend. So Firebase is perfect. It is backed by Google. So definitely try out that. How can you start if you want to be a full stack developer? Definitely, I've tried it, guys. So try to learn front end technologies, React.js, Vue.js. First of all, master yourself in HTML, CSS. Try building some layouts of popular websites such as Google, Facebook, Instagram. Try learning CSS, Flexbox, Grid, Materialize CSS, Bootstrap, Tailwind CSS. All these CSS frameworks are pretty good when it comes to building layouts, front end frameworks. So I think definitely you need to learn this. Hello, sir. Ashley is saying, any opinion on 3JS? 3JS is a very good animation library in JavaScript. I just tried it 2-3 times building projects. So it's very good. I built a solar system in my channel using 3JS. It's a very complex library. It's not a ready-made library where you will put out all the objects and build out a complete animation. It's a very logical library. You need to first of all build some logic and then develop some applications. So it's a very hard library. Do you think some app will put an end to Instagram soon? Definitely not in the near future. Instagram is very popular and it is like TikTok. So there needs to be a complete ban in India in order to put a restriction on Instagram. It is owned by Facebook and WhatsApp is also owned by Facebook. So all these three technologies websites are very much popular among people. Instagram mainly because it is used for sharing of pictures, and definitely people are trying out Instagram for sharing the pictures. So I don't think so in the near future Instagram is going away anytime soon. So please hit that like button, guys. Subscribe the channel as well. I am seeing people are not in the content. In which language I should learn data structures, Java or C++? I will definitely choose, if you want a big company package, definitely Java. But if you want to learn your coding skills, if you want to build out a game engine, let's suppose if you are in game programming, definitely go for C++. So all these two languages have their pros and cons, but depending upon which path you want to take, either go for Java or C++. Personally, I will go for Java because there are many features that Instagram doesn't offer. Which features? Every feature is offered in Instagram. Location, you can share pictures, like them, share it, chat with them, private chat, this public chat is also offered. All the features is this. Ashley is saying thank you. There's a very big chance for Instagram to get taken down. Really? Lucifer is really in India or in all over the world? I don't know about this news. How can I improve my DSA? Basically, you need to go to HackerRank or any sort of competitive based website, geeksforgeeks.org, w3schools.com. All these websites basically is very good for improving your logic on data structures and algorithms. We'll discuss about it with you. Okay. Sir, have you applied for front-end developer? How to apply and where to apply? You can go to very job websites. LinkedIn is a very popular social network for programmers, coders, and professional people. You can connect with everyone. Try searching for a job. Various jobs are there inside LinkedIn. You can even go to upwork.com, fiverr.com if you want to do freelancing and earn quick money. You can do that. So GitHub also, it offers jobs as well, remote jobs. You can apply them. I don't know Java is in, shall I switch to Java? If you don't know much about Java, then I will definitely choose C++. So if you can just get a slight knowledge about Java, I will definitely recommend Java to you. It's a very good language and people should invest some time in it. Talking to you feels like talking to an older brother. Really? I'm not that older guy. Use Lucifer. I'm just 25, so I'm not that older. So I think you are also 25 or older than me. I'm not that older. I'm younger. Sir, can you also make a video about GitHub? Okay, definitely. I will be giving a crash course on GitHub. What features GitHub offers, how to pull a request, how to submit a new software to GitHub, how to download a zip file. All the features I will explain you step by step in this live video. Instagram taken down. not in the sense of a ban, but as in another application will completely overtake it. I will not see in the near future. Tell me the application name. Which application is giving competition to Instagram? I don't think so. Any application is there in the market which can even come close to Instagram. What is middleware in Node.js? Middleware is kind of a function. Basically, you can execute that middleware function whenever you are making a get request or any sort of post request. You can in between execute this middleware function, and whenever I will implement this middleware function, I will definitely make a video on this. So basically, uh, what is the use case of Golang language? Golang is perfectly used in Facebook programming as well. Mark Zuckerberg has also used Golang language for building out the some components of Facebook. He has himself agreed to that in an interview. Golang is also very good language if you want to develop any sort of web application, desktop application, or any sort of application. So definitely go for it. So okay, sir, thank you. I'm 18. You are like my elder bro. Okay, okay. Lucifer, where are you from? Which country? You are from India or any other country? Can you start Node.js tutorial? Okay, definitely, bro. I will start Node.js tutorial. If you want to learn Node.js, definitely I will start Node.js. Not in the market yet, but very soon. That's what I'm building. Okay, you are building a Instagram clone and you're saying that it will completely vanish out the modern Instagram. Okay, okay. It's a very good thing that you are starting, Lucifer. Definitely God may bless you, and you should one day definitely build a new Instagram and taken down the previous one. Can we use JavaScript with PHP? Yeah, definitely you can use JavaScript with PHP. Many projects use that. CRUD applications. You can write PHP code inside JavaScript also. PHP is mum, but is there? Please start CP tutorials a lot also. AJAX plus PHP plain course. Okay, I will definitely write or make PHP or AJAX courses, plain PHP. Did you completed the 10 days challenge, 100 posts per day? No, no, no. It was just for the coding Shiksha. And I have realized that it was completely wrong, and basically doing that will automatically decrease the performance of your website in terms of Google. You can gain views, but in the long run it will affect your website because it will be coming under thin content, and basically Google will de-rank your website due to their new update, which is Google helpful content update. They will de-rank you. So definitely try to build out longer blog post, and quality wise you need to do it quality wise good. So I started the new website. I already written 22 articles, and the average length of each article is above 500 words. So I am targeting to write more words article, try to explain each line of code that I share. So I think in the long run it will give me enough traffic. Thanks. Sir, make a video on MongoDB functions like change stream, grid fs, etc. Okay, definitely I will make that video. Definitely don't worry about it. It's like a true essence of social media. There are many features that aren't offered in Instagram which people usually don't realize. Okay, okay. Try to develop those features, Lucifer, in your own application. Definitely I will see people will use your application. Where are you from and where do you do job, in which company? Roshan, I am from Delhi, basically capital of India, and I do my own job. I basically, it's a YouTuber and blogger. I basically build out videos, try to upload on YouTube and earn revenue with the use of advertisements, and I also build out blogs as well, try to place ads in it. That's good. I'm adopting best features from all apps, and Instagram has the best stories, hence adopting those features from Instagram, not making a clone that's pathetic. Yeah. Try not making the things which already exist. Try to make unique things. That way people will come to you. If you just make an Instagram clone offering the same features, why would people will come to your website? There must be a unique feature that you will offer that any other website doesn't contain. So that's why virality comes. So in every field you need to be unique. You can't be copy of someone. Basically guys, which will be best to learn, MySQL or Oracle for database? So Shant Kumar is asking. I will personally choose MySQL, basically, I don't work with Oracle. I haven't worked with Oracle anytime. So I'm a MySQL guy, so I will definitely choose MySQL. Shall I learn any cloud? I am currently a web development. If you have the choice, if you want to learn cloud development, you can even choose cloud as well. It totally depends upon the individual whether you want to go into that field or not. I am from Delhi, by the way. Okay, Lucifer. Can you share your Ezoic revenue figure for motivation? There is no motivation. My traffic is down. No revenue is coming. So if I look at myself, my motivation will go down. So I have decided to not look at that revenue. It's just a waste of time. I not need to work on my latest website, blog website, and try monetizing that with Ezoic. Which is better, Socket.io or Exam? Because I'm working on social media project. I saw Socket.io, but I got a lot of difficulties. Exam is a control panel. It's not a library. I think Socket.io is the perfect library for building real-time applications, peer-to-peer applications. So it offers WebRTC support. So I definitely choose Socket.io. आप Dream 11 पे team बना लो. No, Dream 11 is predicting teams. It's just a wastage of time. Don't do this stuff. Which is best for salary, front end or back end? I will choose at this moment of time both in the scenario. But if you want to make with a single profession, I will definitely choose front end, because on front end there is so much to offer in React.js. You will be building layout, C, CSS, HTML, and some JavaScript as well. So front end is the most important thing. Hello sir, Akshay is saying. क्लेवर है 30,000 में बस हम 15 लोग जाग रहे हैं. 30,000 में बस हम 15 लोग जाग रहे हैं. या definitely these 15 log is also very important. 15 people are also very important. Never mind. Making clone is good for making practice, and from resume point of view, I am making a complete application with many people, with many unique selling proportions. Okay. So if you're building a application for the interview, try building it with some uniqueness so that people can recognize your project. Man, have failed to get a job on Upwork, and I am a web developer majoring in Node.js, React, MongoDB, MySQL, but have failed to make it. How can I improve? Thanks. If you are failed to get a job from Upwork, definitely try out GitHub, Stack Overflow. These are also very popular websites. And go to linkedin.com, guys, naukri.com. These are all websites which offer various job related websites. So definitely try your luck on those websites also. I know basic of React, Next.js, RESTful API, PHP, Laravel, and have 4 or 5 project dashboards, e-commerce site. So how can I get a job? So basically, if you know React.js, Next.js, RESTful API, PHP, Laravel, and have 4 or 5 project, definitely you will have a lot of experience. You can show this experience to the interviewer. Definitely they will understand your situation. Try learning one framework in detail, not concentrate on all the frameworks. Try learning one. Let's suppose you pick React.js. Try learning each of the concept of React.js. Don't waste time. I join you every day, Akshay is saying. Thank you very much, Akshay. Plus point is that first Indian social media application with this potential to compete against American tech giant. Okay, definitely if Indian apps are there, definitely people will try to use Indian apps first. I mean projects of e-commerce site. If you want to build an e-commerce application, but guys, try building it with someone, let's suppose full stack, Stack, MongoDB Express, React.js. So this is a Stack here. Try building that. So make a Hacktoberfest video. Okay, definitely I will do that. CO Fada, this is a different language. Scorpius is asking 67. I have to build Google Map using JavaScript and React. If you want to build a Google Map using JavaScript and React, guys, so definitely you will pass this variable in a name variable. Name is equal to name. So that's it. Now ask your questions, guys. Basically, should I use revenue focused or balanced in Ezoic? Personally, I am using revenue focused, guys. So basically, if you want to increase the revenue, you should definitely move on to revenue focus. If you want a balanced approach, let's suppose you want the traffic to be increased, you want to do balance mode. By default balance mode will be on, but I personally use revenue focused to maximize the revenue. So it's totally up to you which thing you want to choose in his week. So please hit that like button guys. I'm seeing people are not liking the content. Please like के बटन को भी हिट करिए guys. 40 likes तक पहुंचाइए. uh, who is the best YouTuber to learn JavaScript? I will definitely choose Traversy Media. This is my personal favorite. Traversy Media, it offers only web development tutorials, and his tutorials crash courses are really good in quality wise and also in explaining wise. Brav Traversy is a web development programmer. He explains the things in a very good manner, and he also allows other YouTubers and other programmers to come on his channel to discuss the issues. So I really think so Brad Traversy is the way to go. He explained the concept in much detail, so I really like them. Please hit that like button. JavaScript E6 and vanilla, what is difference and which is good one? I see that vanilla JavaScript is basically, I will definitely choose JavaScript E6 because it offers a lot of features related to an old JavaScript file. So definitely I will choose JavaScript E6 ES6. So if you have any sort of question guys, you can ask in the comment section guys. Code with Harry का JS course is best. Code with Harry तो यार बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोग्रामर है ना. टाइप यूट्यूबर ने code YouTuber name. Basically this was Brad Traversy. Brad Traversy, if you just type here Traversy Media, it's a YouTube channel. The channel will come Traversy Media. Let me write it in the comment chat. Traversy Media. This is the channel name guys. Simply search it. It's a US channel, America channel, so he will speak English, so you need to understand that. I think bounce rate will be increased if I switch from balance to revenue focus. Current bounce rate is 8. So totally depends upon your own website. Learn me Flutter. If you think so the bounce rate will change, then definitely don't do it. Stick to the balanced approach. But for my website I changed to revenue focus. He did give me positive results. Jitendra Sani is saying Akshay Sani. Brother, is there any way to learn from books? Like I feel watching YouTube playlists takes a lot of time. Can't understand practical things in books. I don't think so books will be a good option for you. Definitely at the end of the day, video is the way to go. You can't be learning from text based books. If you want to learn video based approach, it's a very good approach. You can watch YouTube videos, just purchase Udemy courses, all that stuff it will be very much useful for you. So definitely try out some things right here. So Udemy courses you can try out, definitely try to purchase. Patel is saying thanks. Next.js versus Next.js are different or same? I think Next.js is perfectly same. Next.js or React.js is perfectly same. NUXT, it's a version of Vue.js. Similarly, we have React.js, we have Next.js, but in Vue.js we have NUXTX. There is a difference. So ये Vue.js का है, ये NUXT वाला ये Vue.js का है, but in Next.js we have React.js. This is a difference. I haven't tried this NU वाला version. I haven't tried that Vue version. For learning in Hindi, who is best? I will typically say Code with Harry. He teaches both in programming in English and Hindi, so Code with Harry is very good. I am shortlisted in 2 companies, one in UK, another in USA. Which one to choose? I will definitely choose the company in the US because US provides you with more opportunities, more packages. I'm not saying that UK company is worse, but still the comparison is made with US companies. That's why I'm choosing US company over UK company. Your videos gave me a lot of motivation to keep blogging. So thank you very much. Let me Flutter for doing that contribution to me. For that you need to first of all hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. Thanks brother for answering questions. I think techniques have less audience, but I am still on it. Yeah, not all people watch tech related stuff, so that's why less watching comes in tech related stuff. So definitely you need to be going inside our, if you want to get a lot of views, try to build on trending topics, trending technologies. Thanks brother for answering questions. थैंक्स फॉर गाइड क्लेवर हाइल सिंह. ओके सर, कंसोल लॉग में डॉट का क्या काम है, मुझे इंटरव्यू में पूछा गया था, टेल मी प्लीज़. कंसोल लॉग में डॉट का क्या काम है? Basically, console is a class, and basically we use the dot symbol to call a method inside that class. So console is a class. So inside this we use the dot syntax. हम dot syntax इसलिए use करते हैं क्योंकि हम उसके method को access करना चाहते हैं. So log parentheses, we put the parentheses. Inside the parentheses we put the message to be printed out in the console. So basically the role of the dot symbol is to call the method which is present inside the console clause. Log is the method name and console is the class. So, okay, sir. Sorry, already then. Let me Flutter is saying. So, thank you very much. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well if you're watching it for the very first time. I'm seeing that people are not liking the content, guys. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well if you're watching it for the very first time. 16 people are watching the stream, guys. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel. If you have any sort of questions, you can ask in the comment section. Your thoughts on Flutter app development? I haven't really tried Flutter, but I have seen people having good feedback with Flutter. It's a framework powered by Google, and definitely Google will definitely build a longer framework, very helpful framework as well. So definitely try out Flutter. It's a slutty framework. Brother, is PHP still good for improvise? Frankly speaking, bro, I don't think so. PHP is dead, and basically, I don't think so. PHP is the language to go. You don't need to waste time in PHP. Sir, any other YouTuber rather than Traversy Media? There are a lot of YouTubers. Code with Harry, Web Dev Simplified. These are some I know. So definitely 18 people watching the stream, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. Bhaiya, how to send notification to user using JavaScript? If user is not in the website, email bhi chalega. I think you need to first of all get the email address of the user, and then you can use any sort of package such as NodeMailer. NodeMailer is a package of google.com. So here you can provide the, if you want to send a notification, you can use any plugins which is called as any request we can handle to join plugins. How to apply for Google as a front-end developer? I really don't think so. It's a very big, large company, and many competition is really high. Lakhs and lakhs of people are preparing for this interview. So whenever interview asks this question, you need to first of all be ready with different mental and physical challenges before you come to your interviewer. So that's why. After we have the result here, how to apply for Google as a front-end developer? I already answered this question. So just tell me in the comment section, guys. If you have any sort of questions related to programming and web development, I will definitely answer those questions. So if you have any sort of questions, guys, you can ask in the comment section. I am seeing people are not liking the content. Subscribe the channel as well. Some questions is there. Is OTS solution is a good company? What after JavaScript? I don't know about OTS company, bro. OTS company, I didn't know the OTS company. What after JavaScript? You just need to master the frameworks now. If you have basic knowledge of JavaScript, try to go for React.js. Try to learn each concept of React.js. Try to learn Vue.js also. भैया अगर वेबसाइट में कोई नहीं है तो कैसे यूज़र को मेल करें? You can try NodeMailer. You can try out manually also. Try to enter the email address of the user to want to do. You can try out when a lot of paid softwares which are available in the market to do this automation for you if you are a WordPress user. There are also plugins available for you. I think in open source you can't do this using this cookies variable. So basically, if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel as well. Is O solution. Mac or Windows? I will definitely choose Windows because Windows offers a lot of features as compared to Mac, but still Mac is good for those people which are familiar with Apple-based project, Apple Watches, Apple iPhone. So if you want a different individual, different things happen to you. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, then please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well if you're watching it for the very first time. I am new at React, but how to post request without do? Basically, React.js is full of frameworks, full of libraries. You need to first of all master React.js as at its core. Then only you can master the individual libraries. सर व्हाट टू डू आई हैव सेलेक्टेड फॉर विप्रो बट कंपनी ने ऑफ़र लेटर भी नहीं आया और यहाँ दिल्ली में न्यूज़ आई है कि सब कंपनी ने ऑफ़र लेटर वापस ही कर दिया व्हाट टू डू नाउ सो दीज आर द brand phase you can see guys I can insert this into my database basically these are the styles clever hair is saying that please आपके भी भाई आपके भी मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स होने चाहिए very good thing guys thank you very much for saying that clever here tell me about your qualifications I am just a btech graduate from computer science in from a private college in greater noida very waste of time nobody has paid attention to me after that so after this guys you will simply say Traversy Media has vanilla JavaScript crash course for beginners but for full JavaScript and AJAX programming 5 so you can see that it totally depends upon you which profit we need to do so please hit that like button guys subscribe the channel as well what are you doing for living apart from YouTube? I am doing blogging. YouTuber named Sir USA. Basically, Brad Traversy. Brad Traversy is the name of the YouTuber which is doing these web development programming tutorials. I totally love his videos. I do a blogging. I have my own websites where I put ads and earn revenue, and this is my YouTube channel. So from these two income streams, I make 1 lakh per month. So this भैया आपके हों some questions are there guys so try to upload front-end tutorial from static okay I will watch continue okay I will now in the near future I will definitely make front-end developer videos guys where we will be designing some kind of a layout so we will try to build those applications I will continue okay Asif is saying hi so thank you Asif for watching the stream you have please hit that like button Asif if you're watching for the very first time people are not liking the content I am seeing that it is so disappointing that people are not liking the stream only 41 likes are there भैया आप लाइक भी करिए यार आप देख रहे हैं प्लीज़ हार्ड वर्क को अप्रिशिएट करिए जो भी देख रहा है लाइक के बटन को हिट करिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग यहाँ पे आपको सब्सक्राइब का बटन दिख रहा होगा भाई, उसको आपको प्रेस करना है, सब्सक्राइब के बटन को प्रेस करिए जिससे कि वीडियो की रीच बढ़े। प्लीज़ हिट दैट लाइक बटन ऑल्सो एंड लेट मी रीड योर कॉमेंट्स। भैया आप सो जाओ, गुड नाइट। फरहान इज सेइंग या आई विल डेफिनेटली गेट ए स्लीप, सो डेफिनेटली ट्राई टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन। सर आप टाइप यूट्यूबर नेम ब्रैड ट्राइवर्सी, TRAVERSY, ब्रैड ट्राइवर्सी। Just wait, let me type it. I have typed this Brad Taversi. Yeah, I am a full-time YouTuber and blogger. So I'm a full-time YouTuber and blogger. Yeah, I work from home, so that's why I'm a full-time blogger. Full-time blogger. So the name of that YouTuber, guys, it's Brad Traversy. The channel name is Traversy Media. So this is a channel name, Traversy Media. Akshay Kati is saying no break. No, I will not take a break now. Basically, the channel is dying. So basically, if you have any sort of questions, you can ask in the comment section. Basically, this is a like button. You have not hitting the like button, guys. Only 42 likes are there. इसको यार increase करो इस बटन को यार, 50 likes तक पहुँचाओ इसको, और इसको शेयर भी करिए स्लाइड स्ट्रीम तक। उनको नींद आ रही थी। नो आई मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही भाई, नहीं आ रही मेरे को नींद। इसको लाइक को इंक्रीज़ करिए यार, 43 तक पहुँचाइए, 50 तक पहुँचाइए इसको। Are you seeing a decline in Zoic EPM from last few weeks? I don't think so. Decline is there. Basically, traffic is not there. I don't have traffic inside my Zoic live stream. How I can see the decline? I am not seeing the decline, but traffic is not there on my website. That's the huge problem here. Sir, is it necessary to learn CSS framework? Yeah, very much necessary, Farhan. CSS frameworks are a must. You should definitely invest time in CSS. Basically, CSS is a must for you, like Bootstrap or Tailwind. Yeah, definitely. If you can't write custom CSS, then learning frameworks is a must for you, because you need to, at the end of the day, you need to build mobile-friendly websites. In that case, you need to learn some kind of a framework such as Tailwind CSS or Bootstrap. It is totally up to you which framework you want to use. I personally use Tailwind, but people may differ. They can even use Bootstrap. It totally depends upon you which framework you want to use. Totally depends upon you which framework you want to use. But I will prefer Tailwind CSS. It totally depends upon you which framework you want to use. Sir, I mostly do with Flexbox. Yeah, Flexbox is a technique by which you can do it. Flexbox is a technique of placing items in the DOM, document object model, like grid, CSS grid also. Flexbox is also a technique by which you can place items on the DOM, document object module. So it totally depends upon you which technique you want to follow. It totally depends upon you. as an individual. So let me show you guys which code editor I use. Basically, this is a code editor I use here, Visual Studio Code Text Editor. This is a brand new code editor, guys. So basically, Akshay Kati is saying, no, I am 25 and I'm not married. So basically, I'm not concentrating on these things right now because I want to build out a career of myself, just do something unique uh, and earn a lot of money also at the same time. You can see this is the editor, guys. It contains the extension tab here. Basically, you can install any sort of extensions that you want to put here. So the most importantly used extensions, guys, I use on a daily basis is the first extension, which is live server. This is extension, guys, which is used by many people out there, which is this is extension built by Ritvik Day. Ritvik Day, guys, it's a very good developer. He has made a lot of Visual Studio extensions, but this extension live server, basically it basically let's suppose you have this, you can have this find. You can see I will definitely prefer Windows over MacBook. So it will have this option which is called as open with live server. So it will hot reload functionality will also be there. If you make any sort of changes, this will automatically change. So I love this extension live server. You have also seen this extension. So if you put these, now you can ask some more questions, guys. Basically the theme is also very good in Bootstrap or in please hit that like button, guys. Subscribe the channel as well if you're watching it for the very first time. Use that theme also.